Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and add money to your PlayStation wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and let's start any further delay. We'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what you're going to do is simply going to go ahead first access your PlayStation store, which will be from your Chrome browser. Over here you go to PlayStation, and if you tap on this three horizontal line on top left corner, you will find this option called store. If you tap on it, you will be able to find the options, right? How you can simply go ahead and purchase. You're gonna go ahead access your PlayStation store first. After that, you're gonna go ahead go to this option called users and profiles file. Then you will find this option called and then in the section you will find this option called payment and subscription in the account settings. Go ahead, tap on at that particular payment and subscription option, and that it will show you this option called payment methods. Go ahead, tap on it on the first. Now it will give you an option of PayPal, credit debit card, and your Visa card option. Go ahead, choose any of the one, or you can go to your redeem code or voucher if you have got one, so you can get money from there, or you can go upload a card for yourself and upload money on that card itself, and your wallet will be filled with money. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.